Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Like you all know, the internet is wide enough to accommodate so many other persons why they make researches on how to go about their daily lifestyles, which is all about making money online the right way without fraudulent ads. All right, so in this video tutorial you're going to be learning exactly how you can be generating free traffic and in turn making over $100 from each article you submit. Okay, so in case you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, so after subscribing, I'm going to be showing you the same way I was able to make $100 by submitting an article and keep smiling to my bank. All right, so what you should do now is just to head over to this site called Listverse. All right, so on Listverse, what you actually do here is to make an article, right? Listing article like top 10, top 20, top 5, but top 10 is mostly recommended. Okay, so we are going with the top 10. All right, so with the top 10 you're going to be getting an article, right? I will show you the website you need to get these articles from. You don't need to suffer yourself. All right, so here is the first website and I can go around it. Like there are options here where you have to submit articles and options where you, all right, so what you can see there is top 10s rich people do. All right, they buy, sell, all of those stuff. You can just make research about things people will want, and I promise you're not going to be writing this article yourself. Okay, you are not going to be writing this article yourself. I'll show you directories, where web directories where you will get free article, then you spin and submit. All right, so you endeavor to watch the video to the end, to the very end. All right, so get paid $100. They pay you $100. All right, you can just read through this yourself. Just read through. So each time you submit a list and it gets approved, you'll be paid $100 for free. Okay, this is something simple you can do. You don't need to have these writing skills. Go through the kind of article they accept in their website, and from this website, from this other three website or two websites I'm going to be unveiling to you, you can get these articles from them, and you can make your top 10 or top 5, top 11 or top 15. But the mostly recommended is the top 10. All right, so after everything you click on the submit, and that's it. All right, they will have to go through it, and whenever it's approved, then you are good to go. All right, so what you should do now is just to head over to the first site where you're going to be getting a free article. All right, free article. But before then, open your Google Docs. All right, where you need to actually copy and paste these articles. Okay, where you will actually need to copy and paste the article. All right, so here you are on Ensign articles. On Ensign article, you're going to be getting lots of articles in them different niche. All right, numerous niches where you can be using to generate this. All right, submit your high quality original articles for more exposure. You can also submit free articles here. All right, but yourself, you can copy articles from here. Whenever you copy this article, you go and spin it. All right, then generate or prepare your top 10, and whenever you are able to prepare this quality top 10 and get approved, you get paid $100 for free. Okay, It's for free. I keep using the word for free because you're not going to be writing this article yourself. It's something you can just generate and spin, then you submit and you get paid. All right, it's not like you're going to be cracking your brain. All right, like normal article take up to a day or two for you to prepare them, ranging from keyword research and all of those stuffs. But this one has to do with you just copying article, right? So the second one we're heading to should be called Article Factory. All right, whenever you go to Article Factory is same as Ensign Articles, but they are different company, but they offer the same services. All right, so they offer the same services, and you can actually copy articles from here without penalty. All right, but you need to spin this article to make it look unique. The uniqueness will give you the quick approval, and you make sure you don't have this article on their website already. All right, so whenever you get these articles from here and you go to listverse.com, you can just submit the article. Whenever you submit it, you get paid instantly. All right, so get paid $100 to submit articles. All right, so you need to submit this article, get approved, and you will be paid this $100. Okay, and it will be sent to your PayPal account, Payoneer, or they have about 4 or 5 um, um, um uh, payment method. All right, so in case you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribers button. All right, so subscribe to ABR Tech, where we provide you with how to make money tips. All right, subscribe.